Okay, so we've all gotten pretty used to the idea of a single AI, right? Like a chatbot. But here's the thing. While we've been focusing on that one solo genius, the real revolution is already kicking off, and it's all about AI teamwork. So it's time to forget the lone assistant and meet the digital workforce. And this right here is the absolute best way to think about this shift. A single AI, no matter how smart it is basically a brilliant soloist. It can play one instrument, one piece, incredibly well. But a multi-agent AI system, well, that's a full orchestra. You've got all the different sections, all the specialists, working together to create something way more complex and powerful than any one musician ever could.
So, why do we even need an orchestra in the first place? I mean, why not just build an even better soloist? It turns out that for the kind of messy, complex problems we actually face in the real world, one AI, even a genius one, just isn't going to cut it.
Which brings us to the big question, doesn't it? What are the real problems with a single agent? What's actually holding it back? Why can't we just have one super smart model do everything we want? This table lays it all out so clearly. A single agent just can't be an expert in everything. That's a huge one. It's also slower because it has to do things one by one sequentially. And this next one is absolutely crucial. There's no built-in error checking. I mean, if the AI makes a mistake, who's there to catch it? Multi-agent systems tackle every single one of these issues head-on. You've got specialized agents for expertise, parallel processing to speed things up, and dedicated critic agents just for quality control. It's a much, much smarter design.
So, if the lone genius has its limits, what is the answer? Well, it's not about building a better worker. It's about building a better team. We're literally changing the entire playbook, moving from a solo act to a full-on collaborative force.
So what exactly is a multi-agent system, or MAS for short? Simply put, it's a whole network of individual AI agents. They can talk to each other, they can divvy up the work based on who's good at what, they can collaborate, and they can even critique each other's work to make the final product better. They literally function like a top-tier autonomous team. And this is how that teamwork really happens. The agents are constantly talking. They're smart about sharing the workload, giving tasks to the agent best suited for the job. They're all pulling in the same direction, and this is key. They're always refining the work as they go. The best part, all of this happens on its own, autonomously, without a human micromanaging every single step. Of course, any team is only as good as its players, right? So to really get how this works, we need to meet the actual specialists who make up this new digital workforce. Because it's a simple truth, whether we're talking about people or AI. Every truly great team is built on the backs of specialists. You absolutely need different skills for different parts of the job. And here they are, some of the key players on our AI team. Think of the planner agent as the project manager, the one breaking down the big goal into small steps. The research agent is your data expert, digging up all the information. Then the analyst agent comes in to make sense of all that data, finding the patterns. The writer agent puts it all together into a final report. And then you have the critic agent, the quality control inspector whose only job is to poke holes in everything and find ways to make it better. Okay, so the theory sounds great, but what does this actually look like when the rubber hits the road? Let's walk through a real-world example and watch how this team takes one simple goal and turns it into a finished product. So let's say our goal is to create a SWOT analysis, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, threats, for the top electric vehicle companies. The workflow is just perfect. First, the planner breaks it down. Then, the research agent goes out and grabs all the financial data, all the news reports. Next, the analyst starts crunching the numbers. After that, the writer organizes everything into these nice, clean SWOT tables. And finally, the critic agent does one last pass to make sure everything is spot on. It's just a beautiful, distributed workflow. And this is what that collaboration looks like under the hood. It's literally a conversation. You can see the critic agent flags a problem, and the research agent immediately jumps in to fix it. This isn't just a simple A to B to C process. It's this dynamic, self-correcting loop that makes the final result so much better, just like a real human team. So what does this all add up to? Well, this huge shift from solo work to deep, meaningful collaboration, that is exactly why this technology is going to change pretty much everything. And we're not talking about some far-off future here. Look at these use cases popping up right now. In finance, you could have a team of agents constantly optimizing an investment portfolio.
In healthcare, imagine one agent helping with a diagnosis while another writes up the patient report. For software developers, you could have one agent writing new code while another is debugging it at the same time. This isn't science fiction anymore. It's happening, and it's about to shake up every single industry.
If you only remember one thing today, let it be this. A single agent is a chatbot. It's a useful tool, for sure, but it's still just a tool. A team of agents, though. That's a digital workforce. It's an autonomous system that can handle complex, end-to-end problems all on its own.
And that kind of leaves us with one final, really big thought. As this tech gets more and more common, the question isn't going to be if we can build these AI teams, but what we should build with them. So I'll just leave you with this to think about. What could your digital workforce achieve?